Once, in a big green forest, there was a little bird named Sunny. Sunny had bright yellow feathers and a tiny nest full of shiny seeds she collected every day. She loved her seeds and didn't like to share them with anyone. One sunny morning, Sunny saw a sad squirrel named Sammy sitting under a tree. Sammy's cheeks were empty, and his tummy growled. "I couldn't find any nuts today," Sammy sighed. Sunny looked at her pile of seeds. She thought, "If I share, I won't have enough for myself." But then she saw Sammy's droopy tail and felt a little tug in her heart. "Okay, Sammy," Sunny chirped. "You can have some of my seeds." She dropped a few shiny seeds down to him. Sammy's eyes lit up, and he nibbled happily. "Thank you, Sunny. You're the best." The next day, something amazing happened. Sammy came back with a big, juicy berry. "This is for you, Sunny. I found it because I had energy from your seeds." Sunny pecked at the berry. It was the sweetest thing she'd ever tasted. From then on, Sunny learned that sharing didn't mean losing. It meant making friends and getting surprises back. She and Sammy played together every day, sharing seeds, berries, and lots of giggles. Moral: sharing makes everyone happy, and kindness comes back to you.